Hey everyone, want to make a video about the Falcon. So this is a folding electric wheelchair that can support 400 pounds of weight. It is airline approved. It actually comes with 2 batteries, which are located right here. On each side, you can pull these out. And I'll show you how to pull them out in a second. I'm not going to do it right now. It does have a reclining backrest, which is pretty unique. Now to unfold, I'm just going to move this foot plate out, grab this backrest and just unfold it like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And it's a really nice chair. It's pretty solid. And we're going to go over it in more detail and show you why I like this chair. And it's really great that it supports 400 pounds of weight, because there's not many chairs on the market that are folding electric wheelchairs that can support that much weight. So let us get into it. I'm going to show you some more about the Falcon. All right, so first I'll just show you on the back. We've got, I'm going to turn this joystick off. I'll show you more about the joystick, but this is actually the older joystick. There's now a digital joystick that's just really nice. It actually comes with an attendant remote, so you can use that if you're a caretaker. And it also has diagnostic code. So if there's something wrong with the unit, like code would show up on here, and then you can locate exactly what it is in the manual, which is really cool. Now on the back, we've got flat free tires. They're pretty knobby. They got good traction. So this would work well in grass, and I'll demonstrate that. Now, if I flip both of these up, this puts it into freewheel mode, so I can push it like a manual wheelchair. But if I put these both back down, now the electromagnetic brakes are locked. So it's in that locked position and you can't push it. And that's because the electromagnetic brakes are engaged. So these have to be pushed down when you operate this. You also have 2 of these shock absorption springs right here on the back. And then also on the back, I told you that it was a reclining electric wheelchair. So you have a little lever here, and I can pull this and it leans back. It leans back 40 degrees. You can also purchase a headrest. So obviously if it's reclining and you're tall, you might want to have a headrest in the back. So I think that's a good idea to have that. Now moving around, we have the joystick, which again, this is the older joystick. Everything else about the chair is exactly the same. It's just the joystick is different, but we still have the ability, whether it's the new one or the old one, you can remove the joystick right here. I can unplug that, and then you can just take it right out. So I like that feature. Also, the armrests do flip up, so I can just pull this tab up and this goes up on both sides. This is great for easy transfers in and out of the seat. So I'll put them back down, lock these in, and I'll attach the joystick. So this is great for when you're traveling, that you're able to remove the joystick like this. You can also adjust if you have longer arms, you can adjust it out a little bit or bring it in, and then you just screw this in to tighten it. So I'll just reconnect this. Another really cool accessory you can add on, there are armrest extenders that you can add to the armrest. So they actually give you 1.5 inches more width between the armrest. So basically you can extend the armrest out 1.5 inches on each side. Right now the seat is 19 inches in width, 17 inches in depth. But the armrest extender kit, you put these little extenders in here and here, and it makes the armrest come out. You can also get, so the newer version does come with the attendant remote. You can also get an attendant bracket. So the joystick would actually mount right here. So if you're a caretaker, you can do that. And then you also have elevating leg rest, which you can add to the front as well, which is another add-on. So just want to let you know, when you purchase a product that is from the Discover Your Mobility brand. You get a lot of free stuff. I'm going to go over what you get. So you get an umbrella, which you can clamp to the product, give you some shade. You get touch-up paint in case you scratch it. You get an arm bag holder that goes in the armrest. You get a cup holder. Now this is a cup holder that you would use for a mobility scooter. This is the one you would use for an electric wheelchair. You also get a cane holder. You get a safety flag. You get an oxygen tank holder. You get a car charger, so you can charge the unit in your car. You get an LED horn flash, so it's a horn and a flashlight, and you get a cover. So all of this comes for free with any Discover Your Mobility product. So back to the video. Also, if you're left-handed, super easy to move the joystick to the left side. You just have to take the wiring off and then you fish it through this side, remove this cap here, and then you can put the joystick on the left side. So that's no problem. Foot plate on here does flip up. And here's the cool feature I really like is these are 2 batteries. So it comes standard with 2 batteries. So you can charge both of them at the same time through the joystick, or you can charge the batteries off the unit. So say you wanted to bring, leave the chair in your car, you can remove the batteries and bring them inside to charge them. So you just press this button here. It's kind of hard to see on video, but it's tucked in right here. Now I can remove this out. Now this is the battery. So you can test the battery life right here. You can also charge the battery right here. So you'll notice the charging port's a little bit different. There's an adapter that you would hook up to the charger to charge these batteries. You can only charge one at a time, but if you left them in the unit, you can charge both of them at the same time. So these are easy to access, which I like that. Would you like a free mobility scooter? We're actually giving one away. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. And once you've done those 2 things, you'll be entered into the drawing for our next scooter giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce the winner on social media. So what do you have to lose? You also have a storage compartment under here. It's not a ton of storage on this unit, but you do have some storage here. And I'll show you another thing too. This is like a memory foam cushion, and then it also has this mesh material. So if I take this off, I think this is really unique. I have not seen this on any chairs before. You can adjust the lumbar, so I can make this softer, or I can make this more firm right here, which is really nice. And you can also do it on the back. I'll actually come around the back and show you that. So you can adjust these. You can adjust the firmness of the back as well. So I think that's a nice added touch on this unit. Hey, just wanted to interrupt real quick. We do have a catalog of all of our top sellers. It's not all of our products, but a lot of our top selling products. And if you'd like a copy of this, all you need to do is call us, provide your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you. Or alternatively, you can just go to the top of our website, click on free catalog, fill out your information, and we'll get it submitted. Now back to the video. You do have some reflectors here. There's no shock absorption on the front, but let's take it for a little spin. I'm gonna test this. We're gonna ride it in this grass too. So if I power this on and set it up to the top speed, and I do have it at the top speed right now, and it starts off very slow, which I like that, because some of these electric wheelchairs that I've ridden in the past, they're kind of jerky. But this one starts off slow, and it's handling this grass just fine. Top speed is just under 4 miles per hour, which is pretty standard on most of these electric wheelchairs. But I like this chair. It's nice. It comes in a lot of different color options too. And I don't think I mentioned this previously, but I just learned too that Discover Your Mobility has been in business for about 30 years. So they've been in business for a long time. They have a lot of longevity in the space. The quality is great. Customers love these chairs, and they actually have about four folding electric wheelchairs that can support 400 pounds of weight. This is the only one with a reclining backrest. It's a solid chair and really well made. If you have any questions about the Falcon or any of these Discover Your Mobility products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.